Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They're environmentally friendly, cost efficient, and low maintenance. But one thing that may be holding people back from making the switch is the perceived cost of installing an EV charger at home. So, what is the cost to install an EV charger at home? Let's find out. Hi, I'm IMRAN Ali, and I recently installed an EV charger at my home. I was hesitant at first because I thought it would be expensive, but I was pleasantly surprised by the cost. Installing an EV charger is actually more affordable than you might think. The cost can vary depending on a few factors, such as the type of charger you choose and the complexity of the installation. But on average, you can expect to pay between $500 and $1,500. The cost breakdown typically includes the cost of the charger itself, any necessary electrical upgrades, installation fees, and permit fees. I was surprised at how easy the installation process was. The electrician took care of everything, and it only took a few hours. Now that your charger is installed, you can start enjoying all the benefits of driving an electric vehicle. It's been a few weeks since I installed my EV charger, and I'm already seeing the savings. I'm no longer spending money on gas, and my electric bill has only gone up slightly. In addition to the cost savings, installing an EV charger at home also adds convenience. You can charge your car overnight and wake up to a fully charged battery in the morning. So, if you're considering making the switch to an electric vehicle, don't let the perceived cost of installing a charger hold you back. It's a worthwhile investment that will pay off in the long run.